Hello traders, in this video we're going to explain what exactly is trading on the Forex market. Forex market is basically an online exchange for all currency pairs all over the world. The Forex market is constantly moving up or down. If you cash the right way of market, you're making profit. If you're trading, you always buy one currency and sell the other. This is why all currencies come in pairs. If you sell and the market decides to go down, the price will fall and you'll make profit. If it's the opposite, the market decides to go up, the price will rise and you will end up losing money. Let's look at some major currencies. Major currencies are all currency pairs that include the US dollar, Euro dollar, dollar yen, dollar Swiss franc, dollar loonie, Kiwi dollar. Volume attracts more volume. Majors tend to have smaller spreads than exotic pairs. The major pairs have lots of volume. They therefore tend to attract the most traders to them, which keeps the volume high. High volume also means that traders can enter and exit the market with ease, with large position sizes. In lower volume pairs, it may be more difficult to sell or buy a large position without causing the price to move significantly. We also know minor pairs, aka cross pairs. British pound, Swiss franc, British pound, Japanese yen, New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen, Euro, New Zealand dollar, British pound, Euro. Minors are all pairs that consist of three main currencies such as Euro, Pound and Yen, and does not include US dollar. They are very strong currencies from other countries with a stable economy and government. Then we have some exotic pairs too, such as Hong Kong dollar, South Africa rand, Mexican pesos. Because the exotic pairs are less traded, they are less liquid. Huge shifts in price are not uncommon for exotic crosses. Sometimes we find a better trade setup on exotic cross because of correlation with major pairs. You shouldn't be trading exotic pairs if you're a new trader. You can burn yourself quickly, but more experienced traders like to watch some exotic crosses for the high profit potential. It depends on your risk appetite and money management. But there are more pairs to trade. We just choose some of them to show you. You can trade commodities such as gas and oil, metals such as gold and silver, stocks such as Apple and US 30. The 30 stocks in this listing can dictate the movement of the entire stock market. It is considered as a strong indicator of the US economy, and also crypto such as Bitcoin, Ripple and many more. We decided to teach you about the Forex market to change your life. The Forex market is also the biggest market in the world. If you have any questions, don't worry, we will try to answer you in each video you're going to watch. We hope you found this video interesting and you're planning to become a full-time trader.